Next reaction is what happens when acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate. Now here you see when acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate. For example, NaHCO3 when react with the HCl, it forms sodium carbonate NO2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Now here you see sodium hydrogen carbonate. You see, and you know that NO2CO3 is the formula of sodium carbonate. There is no hydrogen in between the sodium and the carbonate. Here you see in between the sodium and carbonate there is a H. That is why it is called sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, and this is sodium carbonate. Now the difference is clear to you. Now here you see that when the sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate react with hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid or nitric acid, it will form salt in the form of sodium carbonate and water, and the carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Now here the confirmatory test of the carbon dioxide, when you will pass this carbon dioxide in the lime water, it will changes into milky in color, and this is the confirmatory test of the carbon dioxide. Now I am writing only the equation on the blackboard, but in the examination you have to write full sentence that when sodium bicarbonate react with the hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium carbonate, it forms sodium chloride. It forms sodium chloride and water and carbon dioxide. Sodium chloride is the salt. Now it is clear. Here is a carbonate, that is why it will evolve carbon dioxide gas. Now this much is clear. You have to write full sentence. After that you have to write this equation. Now write metal carbonate, bicarbonate plus acid form salt plus water plus CO2 gas. Remember this. When any metal bicarbonate react with acid, it will form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Now the next reaction is that this was the third one, and now I am discussing about the number 4. When acid react with base. Now when base is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base. When this sodium hydroxide react with HCl, it will form sodium chloride plus H2O. Sodium chloride or salt. Now when sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, it will form sodium chloride and water, and this whole reaction is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. This is very, very important. The question may be asked, what is neutralization reaction? when acid and the base, remember it, this is the base and this is base and this is acid. When the acid and the base react and they form salt and water, and this type of reaction is called neutralization reaction, and it is very very important reaction. You have to write this one. Now write the base plus acid form salt and water. Remember this point, and reaction is neutralization reaction.